Welcome to the Chapter 16, Problems in America Around the Turn of the Century Multiple Choice Quiz. Please read along as I read these aloud. Don't forget to use your strategies. Cross off incorrect answers. Pause the video as you contemplate your responses and then start it back up for the next one. All right, here we go. Number one, which of these statements best describes New York's Lower East Side in 1900? A densely populated neighborhood with inadequate infrastructure. B, a middle-class neighborhood with indoor plumbing and running water. Or C, an abandoned area after a fire consumed most of the wooden structures. Number two, which of these statements best describes a party boss? A, progressive reformer. B, corrupt public official. C, follower of social Darwinism. Number three, what did Upton Sinclair expose to readers with his 1906 novel, The Jungle? A, homeless youth in New York City. B, inadequate city infrastructure in the slums. Or C, unsanitary conditions in the meatpacking industry. Number four, in the 1900s, why was city water often polluted? A, most residents had to share one sink and bathroom. B, household sewage was released into nearby water sources. Or C, people often bathed in local bodies of water. Number five, why did many children in the early 1900s not attend school? A, children often worked for wages to help support their families. B, school teachers were usually abusive towards students. Or C, public schools were too expensive for the working class. Number six, what was the environment of American slums like during the 1900s? A, they were often very crowded. B, they were often densely populated. Or C, all of the above. Number seven, which of the following posed a risk to factory workers in the early 1900s? A, sharp blades in the meatpacking industry. B, fire hazards in close quarters. Or C, all of the above. Number eight, by the 1900s, industrialization had greatly impacted the natural environment. One major contribution to this was A, a rise of extractive industries. B, disappearance of ranching and farming. Or C, a shift from oil drilling to oil welling. Number nine, in the 1900s, political machines controlled many cities. A political machine is an organization of politicians that A, attempted to help improve the living conditions of all city residents. B, worked to get all the money and influence that came with possessing political power. Or C, tried to eliminate the corruptness of politicians in America. And number 10, why did the Senate become known as the Millionaires Club? A, members were often wealthy and in close contact with powerful industries. B, members were known for gambling, drinking, and other similar activities. Or C, membership was restricted to only millionaires or near millionaires. All right, that ends the quiz. Go ahead and turn it in when you're done. Thanks.